Hello and welcome. We shall be talking about overview of Binance platform. Binance is actually a trading platform, a cryptocurrency trading platform, or a decentralized exchanger of cryptocurrency. So we shall be talking about how to navigate on Binance, what is made up of the Binance app, so we can be able to know how to navigate around Binance app so we can trade very well with it. So this is my Binance here, but on your own, for you to have a Binance account, first of all, you need to get it either from Apple if you are using iPhone, or Android from Google Play Store. So we are going to search for Binance. And here we have our Binance here. As you can see, it says update. I have Binance installed already, but on your own, you have to install it newly so you can be able to register and make use of the app. So I will go ahead and open it since I have downloaded it on my phone already, and that is what I'm using. So it's just a normal app. Download, register and log in. Okay, so I will open my Binance app. This is Binance platform, the mobile app. Alright, so we are going to talk about all this, what to expect and what to note before you trade. At the point of recording this, I'm using Binance app version 1.27. Let's check it from the settings here. We go ahead and click the settings and then about us. So no, I don't want to update a new version now. So I'm using version 1.27.2 for the record of this course. So whether you are using an old version or newer version, after download, you will still be able to navigate and trade perfectly with the Binance app on the go. Wherever you are, you can be able to trade with it. So we go back. So this is the home page of Binance. This is the home page of Binance. From the first, you see a search box. On the search box, you can be able to search for any particular coin you want to trade. So let's say we want to trade XP. Alright, as you can see, we have search result for SXP coin, which is swipe coins. Now if you want to trade it against BTC, as you can see, SXP/BTC. So if you click on this, you're going to see the chart for this particular coin in pair of BTC. Do you see that? Okay, so we can be able to either buy or sell. So we go back here. Now from the top left is where you have your setting. This is where you have your settings. You can be able to use it either dark or light theme, depending on what you want anyways. But for the sake of this course, we are going to be using the light theme, but I prefer dark theme anyways. So we go back here. So that's the settings. Then from the top right, we have the notification button. See, so this is the notification, different messages and different news which you can take or which you can be reading to be updated on what is happening on Binance and cryptocurrency. Then we have this particular one. If you want to scan your code, your QR code, so this scan can be able to use to log in automatically with your laptop or desktop. Okay, so we have here, we have savings, we have the leaderboard, we have the pool, news, then more. From the more, we can be able to see different other options: transfer your orders, convert from different coins, spot. In terms of trading, you can convert from different coins. You can trade on spot, you can trade on margins, you can trade on futures. So we'll be talking about different types of trading, as that is it as it is listed here. Mainly is spot, margin, and futures. Then we have finance. Finance is where you can be able to save or stake your coin on the pool, or you can give out loans. Okay, you can give out loans and get interest. Then pool, where you can be able to stake your coins also. So we have the others: reward center, launchpad, vote, chat, and others. Okay, frequently asked questions, news, research, task center, blog, and leaderboard. We see the three most traded or three most popular coins, which we have at the center. We have BTC in pair of USDT. We have BNB in the pair of USDT. Then we have ETH in the pair of USDT. So these are the three most popular coins on Binance, and most especially also all over the world. Not only on Binance, we have BTC, the most popular, followed by Ethereum. Okay, so that's why we have three of them laid here. Then we have Binance news here also. As you can see, these are different news. On daily basis, they keep on updating this. They keep on updating this daily news. You can also benefit from any of this. Sometimes they do give away for traders. Okay, now we scroll. Then we have BTC 24 hours volume top. So what does 24 hours volume top means? It means the coins, the highest coins which are being traded in the period of 24 hours. So as it is now, we have ETH, which is Ethereum. So all these coins, they are being abbreviated. They are being traded in their abbreviation. ETH stands for Ethereum, BTC stands for Bitcoin. Now as you can see, we have ETH/BTC. Ethereum as it is now is the most traded pair on Binance. Then we have Sushi and BTC, followed by Link, followed by BNB, and followed by DOT. That's the order of the highest traded volume of cryptocurrency on Binance. Then we have gainers and losers. Now let me explain this. Gainers are the coins that are at the highest gain or at the highest percentage gain. Okay, as you can see, we have CHR in pair of BTC. What percentage are you seeing? I can see here that is 32.52%. okay, as you can see, that's the highest as it is, has gone up at a high profit. So that's the gainers. Okay, now the opposite, which is we have the losers here. As you can see, this one is all these coins are on red. Okay, if you see this one, you see it is on green. Here we have red and minus, which means they are lost. In the period of 24 hours, they have lost. So let me say BLZ in the pair of BTC has lost 8.80%, right? Then we have one, which is MWAN in the pair of BTC has lost 5.94%. So it keeps changing, because on a daily basis, in every seconds, people are trading. A loser in this as it is now, on the next 24 hours can also come to gainer. All right, so that's how it is. So you have to study them. You can buy a coin when it has lost, and you wait for it will also grow. So the main essence of trading is what? You buy when it is low and sell when it is high. The price has gone up. That is exactly the essence of trading, to make profit. You don't buy high and sell low. Okay, you buy low and sell high, and that's how you trade to make your money. So we have what we call the classic page and also the light page. Actually, I'm using the classic. So as you can see the bottom here, So we are going to back to light. This is the light page. If you are using this, it's still giving you the same thing but different display. I like using the classic or the pro homepage. So we go back to the pro homepage. So this is the pro homepage. So I have explained the homepage here. So we go to the markets. So what is the market all about? So the market is different pairs of cryptocurrency. So we have favorites. So this is the favorite. All these are the favorite which I have also set up to appear here as my favorite coins to trade. From the top we have spot and we have futures. Spot is a different trading type and futures is a different trading type. So we are on spot, and that is mainly what we'll be learning on this course. So this is BTC market. As you can see on BTC market, can you see any other pair apart from other coin and BTC, other coins and BTC, other coin and BTC? So this is the BTC what market. So BTC market means coins in pair with BTC. So we start with ETH in pair of BTC, Sushi in pair of BTC, Link in pair of BTC. So this is BTC market. Then we have the alt market. The alt, which is alternative coins. The alternative coins are other coins apart from BTC. Okay, so we have other coins now mixed together. You can find other coins, trade them with a different coins together. We have Link and Ethereum. We have BNB Ethereum. We have TRX and Ethereum. We have Land and Ethereum. So if you scroll down here, you see plenty of different pairs that is not BTC. So we have fiat market. The fiat market deals with stable coins. Okay, so USDT is a stable coin. USDT or Theta is a stable coin. So as you can see, we have pairs with USDT here. We have Ethereum with USDT. We have BTC USDT. We have Link and USDT. And if you scroll down, you see different options, okay, under pairs. The BIB market here also deals with what? Pairs with Binance tokens. Okay, so this is it. Now we have ETF here. So on the ETF here, we have other different pairs which we can trade. So all these are either up or down. You're just trying to mimic a particular coin's movement. So this is mainly ETF. Then after the market, we have trades. This is trades. This is where we'll be making our trade. As you can see, we have buy, we have sell here. Buy, this is buy, this is sell. This from here we can be able to select the pair we want to trade. If I want to trade Wabi, I click Wabi here and everything about Wabi will come out. So I can be able to trade Wabi. On the time we are going to learn how to trade, I will explain what all these sections. I will explain all these sections one after the other. You understand how to trade. You understand also how to make your profit. So we go to futures here. Futures is another type of trade. Okay, so basically on this course we are concentrating on spot trading. So we go to our wallet here. Our wallet shows the coins you have, right? The bags of coins you have already traded. As you can see, I have ADX here, ZRX, Algo, SXP, and QTUM. Alright, so as you can see them here listed here. Then you can see the equity value in BTC and also in dollar. So here is where you see your balance, right? That's your wallet. Then looking at spot, margin, futures, P2P, and then saving. All these are different other places you can store your coin. So our coin currently is on spot. So this is margin, this is futures, this is peer-to-peer. If you want to buy crypto from between you and an individual, so that's peer-to-peer. Then savings, if you have saved or locked your coin so that you have some interest, right? So that's savings. Then we have the pool for staking of different coins. That's the wallet. So this is the overview of the Binance Trading app.